The next time you buy a car, the dealer will probably ask you if you want to pay extra for gap insurance. It promises peace of mind in the event you have an accident. But as a local Boone County woman discovered, it can come with a lot of catches.
That's where the car fire started, at the bottom.
Christy Sullivan shows me photos of the fire that destroyed her Toyota Highlander earlier this year on a northern Kentucky street.
There's the engine.
The car was totaled. She thought she was fully covered, though, since she had paid for gap insurance, guaranteed auto protection. You thought gap insurance would cover everything?
We've always told that gap insurance covers, whatever you owe on your car, the difference, then they would pay it.
Right.
Well, that's not the case.
Instead, her agent said her 7-year loan was too long for her gap policy.
So we still owe $7,200 and some dollars on our Highlander we don't have.
Now, gap insurance is very popular with today's longer loans because it protects you in case your car is totaled and you still owe a lot of money on it. Otherwise, you might have to write your lending bank a check after the car is wrecked. Say you bought your car for $20,000, but it's now worth just $15,000. If you wreck it, you still owe $5,000. So gap insurance covers that when you owe more than book value. The insurance industry says it's good to have if your down payment is less than 20% of the cost. But the Los Angeles Times says there are downsides. It won't cover the cost of an extended warranty. It won't cover a rollover from another car loan. And it may not cover the longest 7-year loans.
We had an 84-month loan instead of a 72.
After we called the lender and Christy appealed, they agreed to pay another $5,200. Christy's happy, but says watch for those catches. Oh yes, bottom line, gap insurance can be very good to have if you don't have a big down payment for your next car. But consumer groups say most people should not be taking out 7-year car loans anyway. Why? Because you'll still be making monthly payments on what will really be an old car at the end of those 7 or 8 years. As always, don't waste your money. Kristen?
Thank you, John.